Today, I promise you this. If you watch this video until the very end, you'll be able to start your own business from home and potentially make thousands of dollars every single month from anywhere in the world, without spending even $1 to get started. Just follow along carefully until the end. And now, let's jump directly into the practical tutorial. First, I'm going straight to Etsy, and I'll search for wall art. You'll immediately notice that this niche is filled with all kinds of different designs that are generating tons of sales every single day. But the big question you're probably asking right now is, how do I find a low competition niche where I can actually compete and make sales? And the answer is very simple. I created a file for you that contains 50 low competition, high demand wall art niches. And not only that, I also wrote a complete AI prompt for each design so you can generate the artwork using artificial intelligence. Now, the second question that probably comes to your mind is, do I need to print the artwork myself and ship it to the customer? And the answer is absolutely not. We're going to use Printful, which is one of the best print-on-demand websites out there. So whenever a customer buys your wall art, Printful will automatically print the product and ship it directly to the customer for you, and you keep the profit difference. And to make things super clear, this video is going to be completely step-by-step. If you watch this tutorial carefully, you'll be able to create everything yourself today and start your own business. From finding profitable niches, which I already prepared for you in the file, to the AI prompts we'll use to generate the images, which are also included for you. Just type in the comments and I'll send you the file completely free. Then we're going to use Printful to upload our design because it's the main print-on-demand platform we'll be using in this video. And for designing the artwork itself, we'll use Kittl, which we always use for AI-powered designs. And honestly, it's amazing. By the way, if you want a special discount on Kittl, I left a link for you in the description and the pinned comment. Register using that link and you'll get some awesome discounts from Kittl. Alright, now let's jump straight into the practical tutorial. First, before we do anything, let's make sure the niches I included in the file actually have low competition and high demand. So let's copy one of the niches first. Then we'll go directly into Canva and search for it. And you'll instantly notice that the competition is very low, while at the same time, the sellers in this niche are making great sales. Now let's head directly over to Printful. Then we'll go into the product catalog and you'll find tons of products here, from clothing to home products to accessories and basically everything you can imagine. If you go to the home and living section, you'll find a category called wall art. Just click on it and you'll see many different wall art options. Honestly, I was shocked by how many options they have. Almost every type of wall art you can think of is available here. Personally, I really like this one, so I'm going to choose it. Right here, you'll see all the available frame sizes, and I highly recommend offering multiple sizes on Etsy so customers have the freedom to choose the one they want. And over here, you'll also see the different frame colors available for the artwork. Make sure to offer multiple frame colors on Etsy as well so the customer has more choices. To start designing, I'll click on Start Designing, and it'll take me directly to this page. First, you can choose whether your artwork will be horizontal or vertical. Personally, I love vertical designs because they look much better on walls. And down here, you can see all the available sizes for this specific product. Then here we have the frame colors. I'm going to offer all the colors and let the customer choose whichever one they like. But honestly, I always love the wooden frame style for wall art. Now, my friend, if we move over to the Uploads section, this is where you can upload your ready-made designs, the ones we're about to create in Kittl in just a moment. In the Text section, if you want to add any text to your design, you can do it very easily from here. And inside the Clip Art and Quick Design section, you'll also find ready-made designs directly inside Printful that you can use for your products. But personally, I always prefer designing my products using AI because the results become super high quality and absolutely amazing. And trust me, you're going to be blown away by the results. So we're going to use the upload section, and now let's move directly into Kittl so we can design this incredible product together. And in just a moment, you're going to be amazed. After moving into Kittl, I'm going to create a brand new design with dimensions of 16 by 20 inches, because that's the exact wall art size I'll be selling. And this will become the main page for our design. After that, just like I told you before, I'll simply go over to the file that I carefully prepared for you, and we're going to copy the first prompt based on the niche title we selected. Then I'll paste the prompt right here into this box at the bottom. And notice something very important. Kittl provides incredibly precise AI tools to help you get the best possible results. Right here, you can choose whether you want to generate an AI image or even an AI video. And yes, we're going to create a video in just a little bit, so make sure you watch this tutorial until the very end because you're going to learn a lot of powerful things. Over here, Kittl can even help improve your prompts if you don't know how to write professional AI prompts yourself. But honestly, you don't even need to worry about that because I already wrote professional prompts for you inside the file. Just ask me for it in the comments. And here in the style section, you'll find many different styles you can choose from, which makes it much easier to get amazing results from the very first try. After that, all we have to do is choose the AI model we want to use for generating our design. Personally, I'm going to choose the Nano Banana Pro model because I really love the results it gives. Then we'll select the image dimensions. I'm going with a 3:4 ratio. After that, we choose how many images we want the AI to generate. I personally always generate 4 images so I can compare them and pick the best one. Then we simply click the Generate Images button. And just so we can compare the results together, I'm also going to choose another AI model. Let's use ChatGPT Image 2 HD and compare the outputs side by side. And within just seconds, Kittl creates these absolutely incredible images. Honestly, I'm genuinely amazed by the quality and detail of these designs, and I'm very confident these can generate a lot of sales because this niche has very low competition. Now I'm going to choose my favorite design from these generated images. Then I'll place it onto the main design page. And I always prefer placing the image onto the main page first so I can perfectly adjust the dimensions exactly the way I want them. After that, you can edit the image however you like. If you click the purple button on the right side of the image, you'll see 3 amazing options. The first option is AI Image Board, which allows you to use this image to create an entirely new image while editing it professionally and with incredible precision, because it uses the original image as a reference. The second option is AI Video Board, which lets you turn this image into a professional AI video. And yes, we're about to create an amazing promotional video for our product in just a moment. And the third option is mockups, where we can instantly generate a professional mockup for our wall art with just one click. So all I have to do is search for wall art, and you'll instantly see tons of mockup options appear. I'm going to choose the one I like the most, and within seconds, the mockup is automatically applied. We can download these mockups and post them on social media to increase our sales and make the product look much more professional. Right now, I only need this specific page, so I'm going to download it. And don't forget this part. Make sure you download your design in 300 dpi quality so we can upload it properly to Printful in just a little bit. All right, now let's test a few more examples together. I'm going back once again to the file, and this time I'll choose a random niche. Let's pick this one right here. Then, very simply, I'll copy the prompt and head back over to Kittl. Using the exact same process, I'm going to select the AI model again. And look at this! Kittl generated this absolutely amazing image for me. Honestly, just look at the quality and detail in these images. They look incredible. And by the way, I really loved this moon artwork. I'm honestly very confident this design could generate a lot of sales, and I'm personally going to list it directly on Etsy. And just like I explained earlier, you simply place the image you love into the main page, adjust the dimensions exactly how you want them, and then download it immediately. And as I promised you at the beginning of this video, I'm also going to show you how to create professional mockups for social media promotion. So all we need to do is click the purple button on the right side of the page, then describe the mockup we want. I'll select the AI model, describe the mockup scene I want, and within seconds, wow, just look at how incredible this platform is. And if you want to edit anything inside this mockup, all you have to do is click the purple button again on the right side of the mockup page and simply tell the AI what you want changed, and it'll edit everything professionally for you. And just like I promised, we're also going to create a promotional video for our product. So all we need to do is click the purple button next to the mockup page again, but this time we'll choose the second option, which is AI video board. Then you simply describe the type of video you want. After that, we choose the video dimensions. I'm selecting 9:16 because it's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Then we choose the video duration. I'll set it to 8 seconds. Next, you can choose whether you want the video with sound or without sound. Personally, I want it with sound. Then we choose the AI model that will generate the video. And of course, I'm selecting Cadence 2 because it's one of the newest and most powerful AI video generation models available right now. After that, we simply click Generate, and let's see the result together. Wow, this is honestly incredible. All 3 generated videos look amazing, and I can absolutely use them to promote my product on social media. And honestly, this last result might actually be my favorite one. And just like that, we've completely finished the design process. Now let's move directly over to Printful and click on the Upload section, then upload the images we created just a moment ago and test them out. Let's try this second image right here. This is so satisfying. I'm honestly amazed by the quality of this wall art. And if we click on the Mockups tab at the top, you'll notice that Printful automatically generated many different mockups for us that we can use to promote this product. Let's test another image as well. I'm genuinely impressed with the results I'm getting here. These images are extremely high quality. Then, once you decide which image you want to sell on Etsy, all we need to do is click on Save Template. After that, Printful will take us directly to the product page, where you can see all the available dimensions, pricing, and other important details. And if you click the 3 dots at the top, you can download the mockups, edit the product, order a sample for yourself to review the quality, and much more. Then I'll click the Publish button. Now it asks you to connect your online store. If you click Connect Store, it'll take us to this page where you'll find all kinds of platforms like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and many others. In our case, of course, we're choosing Etsy. Then we simply sign in from this page so Printful can automatically connect to your Etsy store. And my friend, I don't want you to limit yourself to only this product. Printful is filled with amazing products. I want you to explore the platform, search for winning products, and start designing them. And you'll find all your created designs saved inside the My Products section as well. Also, if we go into the Stores section, you'll find all your connected online stores listed right there. I really hope you found this video helpful. You'll find all the links I used down below in the pinned comment and inside the video description. And if you want the file containing the 50 profitable wall art niches, just let me know in the comments. I'll see you in another video very soon. Goodbye!